Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Monday.com boards with automations, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Monday.com account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the workspace you want to use. Click on Add Board to create a new board. Choose between a blank board or a pre-made template. For this tutorial, let's select a pre-made template. Review the available templates and click on the one that fits your needs. After selecting, click Use Template to add it to your workspace. Now that your board is created, familiarize yourself with its layout. Next, to add automations, locate the Automate button at the top right corner. Click on the Automate button to open the Automation Center. In the Automation Center, explore the various automation options available. Choose an automation recipe that suits your workflow. To set it up, click on the recipe you want to use. Follow the prompts to customize the automation to your specific needs. Make sure to specify the triggers and actions that will occur. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Add to Board. The automation will now be active on your board. You can always view and manage your automations by clicking on the Automate button again. If needed, you can also edit or delete existing automations from this menu. Finally, test the automation to ensure it works as expected. You're all set to optimize your workflow with Monday.com's automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.